A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal ruling, a federal judge in San Francisco has issued a temporary restraining order, TRO, that halts the Trump administration's ambitious plans to overhaul the federal government. This decision, made by U.S. District Judge Susan Ilston, appointed by President Bill Clinton, comes in response to a lawsuit filed by a coalition of labor unions, nonprofits, and local governments. The plaintiffs argue that President Trump's sweeping efforts to radically restructure and dismantle the federal government lack the necessary authorization from Congress and therefore violate the Constitution. Judge Ilston's ruling underscores the importance of legislative oversight in the executive branch's operations. During the hearing, she emphasized that while the president has the authority to initiate changes within federal agencies, these changes must be pursued through lawful means and with congressional support. In her ruling, she stated, to make large-scale overhauls of federal agencies, any president must enlist the help of his co-equal branch and partner, the Congress. The TRO specifically applies to 20 federal agencies, including the Departments of State, Treasury, and Veterans Affairs, effectively pausing any plans for major reorganizations initiated by Trump's executive order dated February 11th. This order also puts a hold on any existing reduction in force, RIF, notices, delaying the final separation of employees affected by such notices and preventing the issuance of any new RIF notices during the order's 14-day duration. The judge's decision reflects a commitment to maintaining the balance of power among the branches of government, as she noted the necessity of protecting the legislative branch's authority. The backdrop to this ruling includes Trump's previous attempts to seek congressional approval for similar initiatives during his first term, highlighting the ongoing tension between executive ambitions and legislative oversight. The temporary restraining order cannot be appealed, but it is anticipated that the government will contest any subsequent injunctions that may arise from this case. As the political landscape continues to evolve, this ruling serves as a reminder of the checks and balances that underpin the U.S. government and the ongoing debate surrounding presidential power and authority. The implications of this ruling could have far-reaching effects on the Trump administration's ability to implement its policy priorities, especially as it relates to federal workforce management and agency operations. The lawsuit, backed by labor unions such as the AFL-CIO and the American Federation of Government Employees, reflects widespread concerns over the potential impacts of such drastic changes on federal employees and the functioning of government agencies. As this legal battle unfolds, it remains to be seen how the administration will respond and whether Congress will play a more active role in shaping the future of federal agency management. This case highlights the ongoing challenges faced by the Trump administration as it navigates the complexities of governance and seeks to implement its vision for the federal government. The ruling has sparked discussions among legal experts and political commentators about the limits of executive power and the role of the judiciary in upholding constitutional principles. As the country continues to grapple with issues of governance, accountability, and the balance of power, this ruling serves as a critical moment in the ongoing dialogue about the structure and function of the U.S. government. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.